Well, yeah, it was overall it was a hard weekend. After all the problems from the last race, some discussions with the race direction and many interviews. So it was an easy moment, and then I had a crash. Also, this broke one bike, so it wasn't easy for the mechanics too. But in the race, I was calm and I could focus well. And Jorge started very fast in the first laps. I could stay with him, and then after some laps, I see I can keep the pace. So I try to go to my rhythm and pull up some good laps and finally open a gap. And yeah, the bike was working quite well. Everybody, I think, were spinning a lot, but the track already was much better than yesterday. So the bike was better in the corners. Had some problems with the clutch into the corners as yesterday. Couldn't fix it, but overall the bike was working well. So thanks to the mechanics, to all my team and all my fans and family. So yeah, this victory is for all of them.